This is perhaps the most important part of the entire process of building Amazon affiliate sites. If you master keyword research, you can make money in almost any niche that has products being sold on Amazon. But if your keyword research is not done the right way, you could have a real hard time building a site that generates money every month like clockwork, even if you get the rest of the process right. You might have the best site design, very well written content, and appealing images. You could even be getting a good amount of traffic. But if you are targeting the wrong keyword, your site will not make money. That's right. Even if a site gets traffic, if the keyword research is wrong, all of the work done in creating the site would have been wasted. On the other hand, your site may not have the best design, the content may not be the best, but if you target the right kind of keywords, chances are your site will make money every month. That's not to say site design is not important or that you do not need to invest in high quality content. It's essential that you have a well designed site that has lots of high quality content. All this means is keyword research is very, very, very important. Keyword research can really make or break a site. It's that important. Nothing else is more important than keyword research. Not the niche you are targeting, not link building, not site design. It's the keywords your site targets that mostly decide whether your site will be profitable or not. In this section, we will discuss everything you need to know to do this right.